mangumpra mi guys. Kaya nahotdan mi o pagkaon. Charot. Uy, king to. Mag-ex-lover na sila guys. Dito actually pa. Padong mi o kolon. With them. Diba?
Ito na po kami sa Cebu.
Mag-ex-lover. Bye. This road is going to Carbon, Colon, somewhere. Tour sila guys. Nakapalit na.
Chimo? Oo.
That's for tomorrow because tomorrow is the living. So that's it. Diba? That's it. Mga anak sa papa. So mga on na sa diin of kami.
Init siya di lang kung ano yung sunod.
Nakabakan mo ah. Rice. Rice oh. Rice.
Idol, ina lang imong iya ka wakay gigapos direct sa.
Kaya sa daw. Nang
Dapat
hupong.
like mga papagang.
Nang hupong. Nang hupong. Yes guys, we're having a Sundays. It's my fab. After we eat our lunch, we eat our lunch over, where is it? Over there. As you can see there, the payong. So we decided naman.
What's the tissue?
Happy birthday, Dot! Happy birthday, Dot! Happy birthday, Dot! Yes, guys. Well, actually, today is the last vigil sa tita ng friend ko. So, mag-last vigil me. Then, tomorrow will be the entertainment. So, yes. Itudo na natin to support my friend. That guy with the wear eyeglasses, that one. Yes. So, we're having this lamikman. Then, like, nako'y nakita na saging. Lamik jud siya, promise. Later, as in, kanang paypay na saging, guys. Which is, lamik kaayo.